Today we tried the Bebird Earsight ear cleaning camera for the first time. We went ahead, pulled it out of the box, we charged it, we downloaded the app, and we connected it to the actual device. This is actually pretty interesting though how this little device works. It connects wirelessly to your phone so you can see inside the ear in real time using the small camera and light at the tip. Here's the thing, we've used otoscopes before and ear cameras. This one has a serious ear camera. You can see little hairs, you see it all. And this video does not even show it as clearly as it comes up on your actual phone. I'm using it carefully in my son's ear though, so you can see how the camera shows everything clearly on the phone screen. Being able to see what you're doing makes a huge difference compared to using regular cotton swabs where you're basically just guessing where you're putting stuff. The kit also comes with different attachments, including a soft scoop tips, tweezers that can grab or pull wax out once you see where it is, and I'm going to demonstrate how to do that and switch out the attachments in just a minute. We were sent this to test out. I love all the attachments it comes with. I love all the extra pieces. I love that you can use it in your ears, your nose, your mouth. Another nice thing is that the tip is flexible and the light is built in, so it helps illuminate the ear canal while you're working. Overall, this is an extremely useful tool. If you want a visual way to check and clean ears more carefully instead of just pushing wax around with cotton swabs, I would definitely recommend this little device here.